Hello and welcome to the section 5, Python for Data Science with NumPy. In today's video, we will be covering perform NumPy operations. What we will learn today. In first step, I will help you practice more NumPy. In the second step, we will learn more about NumPy indexing and operations. And in the last but not the least, we will learn all tips and tricks from the practice. Okay, let's go and practice operations using NumPy in Python. So today we will first do our methods. So we will actually do the simple stuff from multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition, and so on. So you can easily perform an array with an array arithmetic or scalar with array arithmetic. So let's see some examples here. So first of all, we need to import NumPy as MP. Okay, and now we need to specify our array. So we can say array equal, and we will also use a range for this example. And let's say from 0 to 11. Now, first is addition. So addition between two arrays. So you can say arrays plus array, and you can see we have a normal addition. So because it was 1 from 11, so I can go here and have array printed. You can see it. Now you can see when we have addition, so it's like 0, then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so on. So it's simple addition. Then we can have a multiplication, and it's a normal stuff. So 0, 1, 4, 2 by 2 is 4, 3 by 3 is 9, and so on. And then the next one is, of course, subtraction. So minus. Okay, now you can see what happened because they are the same one. So now we can actually do division by 0. And we know that when we do a division by 0, so 1 by 0, that's an error. We cannot do that. But in NumPy, it will actually work it, but it will give you a warning sign. So let's see what will happen here. So array with array. And you can see it says this is separate from IPK colon package, so we can avoid doing imports until. So it catches invalid, and it says invalid value encountered in true divide. And you can see here it replaced with none. So this is a warning. And also if you go and say 1 divided by array, it will again give you an error, but instead of none, you'll have infinity. So it's again divided by 0 encountered in true divide. So this is a problem, and it will give you an error, and you will know that you actually did something wrong, and you know that it can be done. And the last one, but not the least one, we want to have exponential. So we will have, of course, for example, double asterisk, and then 3. It actually works. So this is when you want to do an exponent of your array, and this is everything that we want to cover when we talk about NumPy operations. And well done!